Well, what's up? And welcome back to another T-Mobile video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how I am tired and sick of this old router and all the issues that it's given me. And actually, like I said, this is the third one I had already. It's the SigFast 5688W router. They used to have a KBD21 similar to this one. I got rid of that one. So it's time to get rid of this, and we're upgrading to the new improved, introducing the Home Internet Plus, new mesh Wi-Fi system. So if you're ready, let's jump right into this video. So if you're ready, let's get rid of this. And let's see what I got in the bag. So we're going from this to this. Let's see if this is going to make a difference, T-Mobile. Let's see if my new mesh system will be the all-new T-Mobile home internet system. You got that? So this is the little bundle of joy that hopefully will change all my problems. This little mesh box. And so once you get this thing set up to this, from what I've been told, you unplug the wire and you can mount this on the side of a wall, a ceiling, wherever you want, anywhere in your house. So this becomes a extender, with the way T-Mobile said it. What am I trying to say? This becomes a coverage extender for your T-Mobile home internet, is what I was trying to say. All right, so we got the T-Mobile Internet Mesh Wi-Fi, and we have the T-Move G4 SE 5G Gateway White Kit. So both of these together is the kit. All right, so if you're ready, let's get to this unboxing. So which one do you want to unbox first? Do you want to unbox this, or do you want to unbox this? Your choice. Okay, you said unbox this first. Gotcha. Oh, okay. I get what you're saying. You said unbox this first because we all seen what routers look like. So you want to see what this little new bundle of joy mesh uh, thingamajiggy. All right, let's go. I'm so excited for this. Are you? Yes. So how do we open this? All right, let's get in here. Why would the sticker be at the bottom? Why wouldn't you open this from the top? It's kind of weird. All right, so here we go. Open it up from the bottom. And what we get in the box. All right, so we get this little thing. And let's do, oh, I'm about to break and I ain't even started using it yet. So we get this thing, the Wi-Fi mesh access point. So this is the side, this is the back. It's pretty much what everything looks like. And you get your reset button and your two LAN 1, LAN 2, and power. So this is what you get. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's see what else we got in the box. So we get a long what am I trying to say? A long Cat 6 E cable, Ethernet cable. So we got that. So this is the brick for the mesh router. So that's it in the box. So we get the Wi-Fi access point safety and regulation information. So here's everything that comes in the box. And of course, USB-C, small charging brick. This is nice. And it's lightweight. Cat 6. All right, so that's everything that comes for the mesh setup. All right, let's ready to get back into this box. This box kind of beat up. I don't know if they dropped it or not. Hopefully there ain't no damage. You know what I mean, Vern? Again, I have to open it from the bottom. So do you enjoy these T-Mobile videos that I do? Let me know down in the comments. All right, here we go. 5G gateway, quick start guide, easy setup, it says. We'll just have to find out. 5G gateway, all the instructions. Let's see what we got in the box. All right. You know it's new when it's wrapped up in plastic. Hopefully it's new. No scratches or whatever. So this is what it looks like. Get rid of this. Let's see what else we got in the box. So this is what it looks like. Nice and big. Hopefully with it standing up high like this, hopefully we get a better signal and a bigger unit. So you have the reset button right here. And you have antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3, and antenna 4 is a mesh router. So everything has already been activated. So we got power, USB-C, connecting it to your computer, and we got LAN 1 and LAN 2. You also got your SIM card. All right, so that's that. And then let's see what we got in the packages. This is the first time I've ever seen a kickstand that actually turns. So you actually could turn it without having to turn your whole box, like with the older routers. So let's see what's in here, which we already know what this is. This is our power brick, which is similar to the one that came in here, all in one, still USB-C. All right. So let's see how this works. So it just kind of sits. All right, so that's what it looks like. So I think I got it on wrong. So it goes like this. Oh, there, I had it on backwards. Of course I had it on backwards. So this is the back, and I just heard it click. So see, that's nice. And then with the little wheel, you can actually tighten it up once you get to the position you want. That way you don't turn them off. It's basically what you have to do. So, but stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna go hook this one up. This has been the unboxing of the new T-Mobile Home Internet Plus mesh system. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Let's roll. Let's go set it up now. Are you ready? Oh, you still here?